So this is a F6L912 we've rebuilt for one of our clients, our very good clients. We've done a couple of things to them. Like you can see here, this clip has been removed because if you fit the shutdown solenoid, then you cannot access your clip. It's still in a usable condition. If you do it like this, it still clips, it still fits. We just need to make up a little bit more panel beating, that's what we call it, to ensure that all the holes are plugged for the correct cooling system to work efficient. This one has been tested, it's going for a dyno test. It's running good on the test bench. At this stage, there's nothing more that needs to be done to it. Next to it, you will see it is a brand new engine from China. We import them as well from Bainai. This one has not been PDI'd yet, so we still need to oil on it. We still need to take the tappet covers off and do the intake and exhaust clearances on the valves. And then we will put it on the test bench also to see if it runs good. And we'll basically build it as per the client specification. You get a couple of them where we take off the shut-off solenoid and a couple of other parts, and we put on the mechanical solenoid, the mechanical device, to ensure that if your V-belt brake switch does not work, it will definitely shut off when your V-belt brakes.